Hello and welcome to this edition of Majid's Kitchen. In today's video, we have a simple and delicious recipe for your furry friend, your dog. And hopefully it's going to change the dog's tune forever. From bow wow to wow bow. Let's get started with the ingredients. It's important to understand what your dog's dietary restrictions are. So let's begin right here. I'm using a non-fat milk powder, and that's half a cup. We have various sizes of dog bone cutters. You can cut them in circles or squares, but keep in mind the size of your dog and the size of the biscuits you'll be making for them. I'm using a bouillon cube. This is beef bouillon. That's about a teaspoon. You can also use a soup mix. Some people add pureed vegetables. 1 egg. This is a 1/4 cup of rolled oats. I'm using 3 spoons of margarine. You can also use coconut oil, and 50 ml of hot water. Let's get these ingredients together. Not forgetting 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Yes, this is going to be a healthy dog. Whole wheat flour is best. Dry ingredients together. If you're not going to use a stock cube, you can use a salt. So there goes the beef cube, the milk powder, and the whole wheat flour. We also need to add a teaspoon of sugar. Let's give that a mix. Let's add the oatmeal to this. Almost forgot that. That goes right in there. Mix that too. I'm going to add in half of the hot water, followed by the margarine. I'll be using a chopstick to stir in the initial stage. That goes in there. And let's give it a stir. So we have a slightly dry, clumpy mixture. You can see it coming together. And this is where I'll add the balance of the water. Bring it together by hand now. And if it's dry, you can add a little water to this. The drier the mix, the more firm the biscuit will be for the dog. So keep in mind the bake time will also influence the hardness of the biscuit. Okay, we have a nice soft ball of dough. We're gonna roll it out and cut it. So it's about a centimeter in thickness, and then 16 centimeters by 15, almost a square. All right, and let's cut some of these shapes out. Okay. So we have the larger size. We have the medium over here. Here's the large one. Can you see? We're going to get these into an oven, 350 Fahrenheit, for 20 to 30 minutes. In summary, varieties and different species of dogs may follow specially recommended diets or have dietary restrictions. So keep in mind the diet of your dog, the size of your dog, the size of the biscuit, and the bake, whether it's a softer, chewier biscuit or a firmer one. I hope you give this recipe a try. Like the video, share and subscribe to Majid's Kitchen.